One of the problems currently that we have with regards to pediatric crowns is that on one side of the spectrum we have stainless steel crowns, which is not aesthetic, and of course it contains metal. And on the other side of the spectrum we have zirconia crowns, which is very hard for the child's tooth, and at the same time also it's very aggressive in terms of tooth preparation. So the rationale behind us developing the Ceramir Pediatric Crown was basically threefold. Number one is we looked at the child. What does the child want? We said that the child wants a safe, non-toxic material in the mouth to produce a material that's biocompatible and non-toxic to the patient. Number two is we looked at what does a dentist want. The dentist wants something that's very easy to place in the mouth, not cutting too much of tooth structure, very simple. You prepare the tooth and cement the crown in with very little comeback. And number three is we looked at what would the parent want. And we said that the parent wants something that would not stress the child, number one. Number two, it must be cost effective. And number three is aesthetic. And that's how we designed these crowns. We said that we have the technology that's existing for the adults. So we said, why don't we then just transfer the same knowledge to the child patient? And this manufacturing process is a patented process of laser sintering and vitrification, whereby we, through very high pressure and temperature, bring all the glass particles together to form a single unified or homogeneous glass phase. The result of this is that it'll give you a long-lasting shine, and that is the aesthetic part. Then we added some aluminum oxide to it to build up the strength. So now with the strength and the aesthetics, that's how we managed to design the Ceramir Pediatric Crown. With regards to the benefits of Ceramir Pediatric Crowns, we try to make it as user-friendly as possible and to be used in a very short time, because with the pediatric patient, we don't want the patient to sit too long. The Ceramir Pediatric Crown can be repaired. It can be repaired very easily in the mouth, unlike zirconia crowns that, if it chips, cannot be repaired in the mouth. The other very big advantage of the Ceramir Pediatric Crown is that if the child only needs a mesial or an occlusal wall, you can cut the remaining portion of the crown and make it into a partial crown, which cannot be done with the other existing crowns.